Hey people, today June 3rd is my mom's 7th death anniversary. Uh, so that's what it's just. I'd written a piece on Instagram. You can see it on Amrita Suresh 111. And today of all the days, there's this particular page called India Love Project, which is all about these couples who have interfaith marriages. So I had submitted an article about my parents' love story, Hindu Catholic love story, and I had submitted it some 3 4 months ago. And today, which happens to be my mom's 7th anniversary, today the story just happens to come on that page. So that particular page, India Love Projects, has more than 53,000 followers. So as of just now in the morning, more than 1,500 people have seen that piece. So I just feel like it's my mom from beyond. She was my James Bond. Yeah, she could accomplish these things. So it feels good. So so that's what I'll catch you all in my next video, because uh, many life changes are also happening, like in terms of if you get a nice job. So I'll speak to you all in my next video. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.